Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about BMW G310 GS details features. So, you're thinking about the BMW G310 GS. Or maybe you've seen it around and wondered if this compact adventure bike lives up to the hype. Well, buckle up because we're diving deep into what makes this little beast a standout in the adventure category. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, there's a lot to love about the G310 GS, and today, we're breaking it all down. First off, let's talk about that design. I mean, come on, one look at the G310 GS and you know it's a part of the legendary GS family. It's got that unmistakable beak at the front, the rugged stance, and that iconic BMW badge sitting proudly on the tank. But this isn't just about looks. The design is functional too. High ground clearance, a comfortable upright seating position, and wide handlebars make it feel ready for anything, from city streets to dirt trails. Now, under the hood, or should I say, under the tank, we've got a 313cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. It cranks out around 34 horsepower and 28 Nm of torque. Now, I know what you're thinking. That might not sound like much, but trust me, this bike isn't about raw power. It's about balance. It's light, nimble, and super fun to ride. Plus, the throttle response is crisp, and the bike feels lively whether you're cruising through traffic or hitting the open road. Speaking of roads, let's talk about how this thing rides. On the pavement, the G310 GS feels smooth and stable. The suspension is set up to handle bumps and rough patches like a champ, which is exactly what you want in an adventure bike. But take it off-road, and that's where the fun really begins. Thanks to its long travel suspension and 19-inch front wheel, the G310 GS handles dirt trails, gravel roads, and even light off-roading like a pro. Sure, it's not a hardcore dirt bike, but for most riders, it's more than capable. And let's not forget about the comfort. BMW nailed the ergonomics on this one. The seat is comfy enough for long rides, the handlebars are positioned perfectly for an upright, relaxed posture, and the overall feel of the bike is just right. Whether you're commuting to work or planning a weekend adventure, the G310 GS has you covered. Now, let's get into some of the features because, let's be real, that's where things get interesting. The bike comes with a fully digital instrument cluster that's easy to read, even in bright sunlight. It shows you all the essentials: speed, RPM, fuel level, gear indicator, you name it. Plus, it's got ABS as standard, which is a huge win for safety. And if you're worried about maintenance, don't be. BMW has designed this bike to be as low maintenance as possible, so you can spend more time riding and less time in the garage. But here's where the G310 GS really shines: versatility. This isn't just a bike for the hardcore adventurers out there. It's a bike for everyone. Whether you're a newbie looking for a manageable, confidence-inspiring ride or a seasoned rider who wants something lightweight and fun, the G310 GS fits the bill. It's just as comfortable navigating tight city streets as it is exploring backcountry trails. And with its decent fuel economy, you won't be breaking the bank at the pump. Now, let's talk about price. The G310 GS is one of the most affordable bikes in BMW's lineup, which makes it a fantastic entry point into the adventure bike world. You're getting that premium BMW quality without the premium price tag. And let's be honest, who doesn't love that? But hey, no bike is perfect, right? So what are the downsides? Well, if you're looking for massive power or plan to do serious long-distance touring with a lot of luggage, you might find the G310 GS a bit underpowered. It's also not as feature-packed as some of the bigger GS models, but that's kind of the point. It's simple, it's fun, and it gets the job done without overwhelming you with tech. So, who is the BMW G310 GS for? Honestly, it's for anyone who loves the idea of adventure but doesn't want to deal with the bulk and weight of a larger bike. It's perfect for beginners who want a bike that's easy to handle but still offers a taste of that adventure lifestyle. It's great for city riders who want something versatile enough to handle a weekend getaway. And even experienced riders will appreciate its lightweight, go-anywhere attitude. At the end of the day, the BMW G310 GS is all about freedom. It's about getting out there, exploring new places, and doing it all on a bike that's as capable as it is fun to ride. Whether you're hitting the highway, cruising through the city, or tackling a dirt trail, the G310 GS is ready to go wherever you are. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.